bikes. Amsterdam is all about bikes. If you have been following us, if you noticed the previous video, we took the Eurostar from London to Amsterdam, and within Amsterdam, this is where we ended up, Amsterdam Central. So this was our first point and point of interest within the whole city of Amsterdam. So when you come on the train via Eurostar, you need to get out, check out with your Eurostar tickets, and then you have these ticketing counters where you can get the intercity direct, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you just say, I want to go to the airport. Pass should be good. Valid today. And I think I need to choose 2. And it's green. And the tickets are being printed. There's a ticket. Perfect. We got our receipt. Let's go. So that's our train. So we're gonna go to 14A and we're gonna get our train to the airport. So our hotel stay here in Amsterdam was right by the airport, the Sheraton right there. We booked this for convenience because our flight back to the United States was super early, and we thought if we're right by the airport, we won't have any issues to get there on time. Today we present to you a new episode of City Vlogs. Our journey today covers Amsterdam, the capital of Netherlands. Originally a small fishing village in the late 12th century, Amsterdam became a major world port during the Dutch Golden Age of the 17th century, when Netherlands was actually an economic powerhouse. Amsterdam was a leading center of finance and trade, as well as a hub of secular art. If you're in Amsterdam, there are a few must-sees and must-dos, one of which is doing the Canal boat tours. The canals are like the lifeblood of the city of Amsterdam, and you get to see firsthand on how the city operates with this canal system. You will definitely pass by a lot of points of interest such as the Heineken brewery, Rijksmuseum, other points of interest that you may see on your canal boat tour. So fasten your seatbelts and check this out. Amsterdam, or literally translated as the dam on River Amstel, is the capital and the most populous city of the Netherlands, with The Hague being the seat of the government. Its population is about 1 million within the city proper, and the urban area has about 1.4 million people, and the overall metropolitan area with 2.4 million people. Located in the Dutch province of North Holland, Amsterdam is colloquially referred to as the Venice of the North, for its large number of canals now designated as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Amsterdam was founded at the mouth of the Amstel River that was dammed to control flooding. The city's name derives from the local linguistic variation of the word dam. As you might have seen, cycling is also a key to the city's modern characters, and there are numerous biking paths and lanes spread throughout the entire city. Amsterdam's main attractions include historic canals, the Rijksmuseum, the State Museum with a vast collection of Dutch Golden Age art, the Van Gogh Museum, the Dam Square, where the Royal Palace of Amsterdam and former City Hall are located, the Amsterdam Museum, Hermitage Museum, the Anne Frank House, the Nemo Museum are other attractions within the city of Amsterdam. After the boat tours, we rested for the day and we took one more day to tour Amsterdam. What we did here was we took the train from the airport, Schiphol, to a station called Rokin, which is very central within the metropolitan area of Amsterdam. It's just about $8 to $18 per person, and you can just take the train here, very convenient, and get down and explore this area. As you can see, there are canals everywhere within Amsterdam, and then once you can walk through the streets, it's very similar to Soho in London or streets of New York if you know them well, and you can walk throughout the city. So what we did was we walked to the Dam Square, aka the Times Square of the Netherlands. So we wanted to check this out. There are lots of big museums in and around Dam Square, lots of places to eat. So we wanted to check this place out, and that's exactly what we did. Walking around Amsterdam, you will see a lot of these stalls that sell the famous fish herring, which is found in the Netherlands. Needless to say, raw herring is an acquired taste, and this silvery, slimy snack is not for everyone. Me being a vegetarian, definitely not for me. But if you like fish and want to try a delicacy from Netherlands, definitely go check it out. Nevertheless, it holds a special place in many Dutch people's hearts and has been a staple dish of the Netherlands since the Middle Ages. This dish can be bought throughout the country, and in summertime herring season comes in full swing, with countless lowlanders chowing down this peculiarly Dutch delicacy. After walking through the streets of Amsterdam for a mile or so, we finally reached the Dam Square. It was created in the 13th century when a dam was built around the river Amstel to prevent the sea from flooding the city. During the 60s, the square was renowned for its Dam Square hippies. Of course, if you like, there's all kinds of food here. There's local Dutch food, and there's all different kinds of multicultural options here. And this is a must visit if you have some time. It's 10 minutes away from Amsterdam Central. And then you just walk here, or you can take the local trains. These are like a few quick suggestions. If you have some time, do check this out in the city of Amsterdam. It's very beautiful. People are really nice. So, thank you so much. After covering major attractions, the rest of the video will be more of a walking tour around the city of Netherlands. We had to cancel one of our biking tours, so we actually switched it up with visiting 3 small towns near Amsterdam: Zandskans, Volendam, and Markham. I want to cover that as a separate video to not make this video super long, so stay tuned.
much.